Hello everyone, I know you guys probably have seen the Tony Stark movies, right? Especially Iron Man 2, where Tony Stark is in his home and he opens up some AI system, right? It looks something like this, and he says, "Hey Jarvis, can you do this for me? Can you do that for me?" Right? And it's able to do it instantly. And it has like these holograms and stuff, right? But I don't have these holograms. But what I do have is this AI Jarvis that I made with Cloud Code. And so I want to show that to you guys today. So let's look at that. So here it is. Let me just refresh the page to show you the animation of the code. It's on Visual Studio Code, and of course Cloud made it. And I basically ran npm start, and it created this port 3777. I went over to Google Chrome and I opened up localhost colon 3777, and it came to this page. And so what you can do is that you can see some basic information about your computer, right? For me, 41% CPU, 99% memory, blah, blah, blah. I have some visuals that it's pretty cool, but it's kind of useless, but it's just for effects, right? It's just for you to, think that like it's an AI system that's controlling your computer, which it kind of is, right? I did give it access to certain applications like Firefox and Calendar, which I'll show you in just a second. And here's the time as well, right? It shows the local time here, shows the date, and then the temperature in Cerritos, which is 28 degrees Celsius. It's really hot. Sunrise, sunset, and then even active timers, which we'll try out in just a sec. So one feature that it can do is that it can create an event on Google Calendar. So let's just actually run this real quick. It's just click this button and Jarvis should run. So let's give it a shot. Hello Jarvis, can you open up Google Calendar and create an event for tomorrow at 8 a.m.? It's a dentist appointment. And then let's see it do its magic, right? So this Jarvis is connected through an AI model called Ollama. Ollama is completely free to use. If you did want to use a premium version, which can make Jarvis run really fast, we would have to use an Anthropic API key, which costs money. So I wouldn't want it to do that. I just wanted to keep it free. And so here's the model. And let's see, it'll be open up Google Calendar. I should be able to create this event for tomorrow at 8 a.m. And yeah, so let's see what it does. And it should be able to respond back to me. So it'll respond back with the robot voice in just a second.
I've added your dentist appointment for
Okay.
tomorrow at 8 a.m. to
So
your calendar.
it shows that
it's all set and ready. Here are the events scheduled for today, Thursday, the 16th of July at 4 p.m. AI Jarvis YouTube video. Friday, the 17th of July at the start of the month. AI Cybersecurity P2 inches YouTube video. Tomorrow, Saturday, the 18th of July, at 8 a.m. Dentist appointment. Is there anything else you need assistance with?
Okay, so that's nice, right? It's able to set up the appointment. So let's actually go ahead and check my Notion calendar, which is directly connected to my Google Calendar. It did take some time, right? It did take a minute and a half to run it, but that's also because I'm recording and I don't have much memory, so it will use up and take up a lot of time. So if you were to run this on your computer, it should take maybe 15 to 30 seconds maximum. So let's actually open up Notion calendar, and we can see I have the event right here. I did actually try this a couple more times before. Here, let me see. And if I go to 8 a.m., yeah, so I scheduled it twice. I just want to show that I can run. So I'm just going to try it for 11 a.m. Let's do another one for 11 a.m. So let's ask Jarvis. Oh, right, I did say hey Jarvis, but it says play. That's okay. We'll see if it's able to do the intended task, right, which is to 11 a.m. dentist appointment tomorrow. And so give it some time. And basically, whilst it's running, how it works is that Jarvis is directly connected to Google Console Cloud. And Google Console Cloud is like the boss, right? It's connected and has an API that's connected to Google Calendar. And so Google Calendar is connected to the boss, right? The Google Cloud console. And that's connected to Jarvis. And Jarvis, which is an Ollama AI model. So basically that's how Jarvis is able to connect and communicate with Google Calendar. And then Google Calendar is separately connected to Notion Calendar, which is what I've been using in this video. So let's see if it's able to run it.
Calendar. Here are the iJarvis YouTube video. Friday, the 17th of July at the start of the month. AI cybersecurity
Okay, so
P2
we'll
in his
see.
YouTube video. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
Okay, nice. So we'll see if this actually did it, right? You can see it has booked the appointment for 11 a.m., which is nice. But let's try something new. To open up a browser for us, open up a tab, and watch some videos, right? So let's do that. So let's ask it. Hey Jarvis, can you open up Passion Fruit by Drake on my Firefox? So we'll see if it runs this time because I did ask Claude to help me out here. And it's like that I'm also recording, so we'll see. Okay, there we go. Now here's the song. It's just go onto your Google Calendar, create an event for you if you would like. You can open up Passion Fruit by Drake or any song you want or anything on Firefox for you. If you do encounter an error like I did, just quickly ask Claude. Claude will fix up the code for you, and it should run for free within 30 to 45 seconds. For me, it took about a minute 30 because of the fact that I am recording. Some other things that it can do basic tasks, right? So for example, hello Jarvis, can you tell me the weather in Seattle? So now it's going to tell me the weather in Seattle. It's going to look that up for me.
We are both at 19% and 56%,
Okay.
respectively, with a wind speed of 8 kilometers per hour. For today, the minimum temperature will be around 13 degrees Celsius and the maximum will be 24 degrees Celsius. The sun will rise at approximately 5:30 a.m. and set at about 9:01 p.m. in Seattle. Is there anything else you would like to know or have me help with?
Okay, yeah. So we know that Jarvis can create an event for us on Google Calendar. It can also open up our browsers and play some music or do whatever we'd like. And then it's also able to fetch us some basic information. So now we want to try out this feature, right, with the active timer. So let's give it a shot. You create a timer for 5 minutes. That's pretty nice of Jarvis to do. It even showed right here, right? Can you create a timer for 5 minutes and then create the grid? And now it's done. Would you like to pursue?
Would you like to proceed
Nah, I'm
with
okay. I'm
opening
okay.
Firefox and playing some music? Or do you need any other assistance?
So yeah, that's in a nutshell. That's what Jarvis can do, right? It can create an event. It can play some music. It can even make an active timer right here, which will go off once it's done. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you.